Welcome back to another video, guys. So I got a comment by one of my subscribers asking me to make a video on my entry confirmations, what I look out for before I decide to take a trade, or my trade levels. My trade entry levels can be key levels, support levels, resistance levels, order block levels, trend support and trend resistance levels. Depends on the market structure, the market formation, where I decide to buy or sell, right? What I look at for before I have these confirmations to buy or to sell. So here in today's video, we'll be talking about all of that. So do well to stay to the end of the video to get every detail on these trade decisions. Smash the like button, drop a good comment on this video, and subscribe for more contents like this. So firstly, before I decide to take any trade in the market, I make sure I follow the due process regardless of having my entry confirmations or my trade levels. I make sure that I'm doing the right thing. So what are these right things? Doing a proper analysis on the market, analyzing from a higher time frame down to a lower time frame, identifying my possible trade levels. So I want us to first analyze VIX and 51S index. So let's start on the weekly time frame. So on this weekly time frame, you can see that this index has been on a massive decline, creating lower highs and lower lows formation, having the first highs here. What followed up was another high, a lower high at this point, and next high, lower high as well. So the market has been creating a series of lower highs and lower lows formation. Then we got this equal low, right, which is a level of support, a support level. So we have possibilities of same price sell to this level for the buys. This is basically a swing trade opportunity on this index, because having that overall price buy on this level the first time, got the first buys here, got the second buys at this point. There's still possibilities of same price buy on this level the third time. We have possibilities of same price buy on the test of this level. So what do I do in this situation? If price is to get to this buy zone, this potential buy zone on the weekly time frame, and I want to take this trade, how do I confirm that if price gets to this level, we are actually going to get the buy? So before that, what entry confirmations do I use? I have three major entry confirmations. The first one is reversal patterns, second one is projections on a zone, and the third one is Fibonacci retracement. That's if the market is trending, right? I make use of the Fibonacci retracement. This is 1.8 fib retracement level. So on this zone, what I'll be using, my entry confirmation on this zone would probably be reversal patterns. So reversal patterns I'll be looking out for is bullish reversal patterns, because would probably be reversal patterns. And reversal patterns I'll be looking out for on this zone is bullish reversal patterns. We have two types of reversal patterns. We have the bullish reversal pattern and the bearish reversal pattern. So I'm looking out for bullish reversal pattern on this buy zone. So we have two major types of bullish reversal patterns. We got inverted head and shoulders pattern formation and double bottom formations. In some cases, the market presents descending channel formations. So if we see one, we still have to take advantage of it and know that it's a bullish reversal pattern formation. So on the market being on the weekly time frame, having this setup on the weekly time frame, I would be looking out for my formations on a lower time frame, not this weekly time frame. So I would go to the next two lower time frames. So the next two lower time frames is the 4-hour time frame, or roughly the 1-hour time frame, which I'll be looking out for buy opportunities on this level, right? And remember, this is a swing setup, so our stop loss would actually be big. So you have to have that in mind. So it depends on the time frame you did your analysis on and the setup, how the setup looks. So I think we should work with the 4-hour time frame. So on this 4-hour time frame, having this level spotted here, if you can get price drop to this zone, which is our potential buy level. So formations I'll be looking at for here is a bullish reversal pattern formation, which can be a double bottom formation, something of this kind. In the market, create the first lows, push up little bit, push up a little bit, creating the second lows here. Then I'll be buying on the break and retest of the neckline, because on every reversal pattern formation, we got a neckline. So the neckline is at this point on this 4 hour time frame. So this reversal pattern formation confirms the buys on this, my buy zone. This looks a lot big, should be smaller than this because of the chart formation, right? So I'll be buying on the break and retest of my neckline. This is all bottom formation neckline, or the break and close above the neckline. I'll be taking the buys on this index. So this is one of the entry confirmations I look at for. Another one is inverted head and shoulders pattern formation, which looks like this. I'm sure you guys know how these formations looks like. The market could either present a double bottom formation on this zone to confirm the buys, right? First low there, the left shoulder, the head, the right shoulder here, and see the market push up. So my buys would be on the break and close above the neckline, or the break and retest of the neckline for the buy opportunities on this buy zone. Remember, we spotted this zone on the weekly time frame as a potential buy level in the market, right? So same price buy had the first time. We actually got the buys here, but not really a neat buy, so we still have to count it. Right, same price buy here the first time, the second time, the third time. On the fourth test of this level, we still have buy possibilities because this was a level that has been expected, because analysis is basically using past market moves, past market reactions, past market formations to predict what could happen next in the markets, right? So having that this is a level that has been expected previously, we still have possibilities of same price respect this level. So on the lower time frame, we're looking at for our confirmations, which could be double bottom formation, inverted head and shoulders pattern formation on our buy zone for possible buy opportunity on this index. So that's what I do. That's one of the confirmations I make use of. So let's say that we don't want to take the trade on a higher time frame. We saw a setup on the lower time frame, like the 4 hour time frame or the 1 hour time frame for day trading opportunities. What do we do? Right? What do we do? We are supposed to have a market analysis on this index, but this video would be very much long. So let's just go straight to what brought us to this content, to this video. So let's go to the 4 hour time frame. So on this 4 hour time frame, we've seen the market expect this level here as a level of resistance. Let's assume that the market is yet to give this approach, this move to this zone, and we are actually expecting the sells on the test of this level. On price testing that zone, we expect the market to sell to the downside, seeing this level as a level that has been expected in the market, getting the first reaction here, the sells on that zone. We got a sell move before that one, basically, which is here. Got price sell here the first time, the drop, the second drop, the third drop as well, and the market created a head and shoulders pattern formation. Yeah, not really a perfect one. Got the neckline here, basically neckline of this formation at this point, which was a level of support. So same price, we expect this level the first time, support, second reaction support, third reaction support. We got this fake breakout which created the head, and the retest of this level, market approaching this level, I'll be looking for sell opportunities because of what happened previously in this zone in the market. So on the test of this level, I'll be looking to selling this index. So what do I do in this case? Right, what do I do in this case? So I would be going to a lower time frame, the next two lower time frames, which is the 15 minutes time frame. After the 4 hour time frame, we count the 1 hour time frame, then the 15 minutes time frame. That's the next two lower time frame, next two standard lower time frames. So here I'll be looking to selling this index from this point on a bearish reversal pattern formation as my confirmation entry. And bearish reversal pattern formations we got, the two major bearish reversal pattern formations we got is the double top formation and the head and shoulders pattern formation. So let's actually see if the market presented any of these formations on this zone that confirms these sells, right? So let's check the 15 minutes time frame as the next two lower time frames after on the 4 hour time frame, basically. So let's take note of that level firstly on the 4 hour time frame. Let's use this box here, then the next two lower time frames on the 15 minutes time frame. So on this 15 minute time frame, we can see what the market did. Very much clear. The market created a nice double top formation, which is a very good confirmation for these sells, having the first highs here. So all you have to do is just wait for the market to present these formations, right? Wait for market to present these formations before you decide to buy or sell. You have to be patient enough, because trading is a game of patience. It's a waiting game, so you have to wait for the market to do its thing, give those formations that confirms your your sells or buys in the market. So you can see the double top formation after price approached our sell zone. So on the break and retest of the neckline, we are taking the sell. You can see the retest here, clear retest of this neckline. Break, retest, the sell. Our stop loss should be something of this somewhere here. Our stop loss should be here above that last week. Let's change the color of this to yellow, basically. So stop loss here, our entry here, and TP should be TP1 should be somewhere here. Somewhere here, TP1 there, TP2 probably at this point, and TP3 on this last low, this level of support. And the market still bought on this level with a good confirmation. So let's check if this was actually a good buy zone. Let's check if this is a good buy zone. So you can see this is a level of support, an important level as well. Same price, you expect this level resistance, support, support. So on price selling to this zone, we have buy possibilities as well in this on this same level. Buy possibilities. So how do we confirm the buys? Let's see if the market presented a good bullish reversal pattern formation on our buy zone. So we are going to the next lower time frames on after the 4 hour time frame. So we got the market presents a good double bottom formation, having the first lows there, the second lows, and the neckline. So good buys here, good buys on this index, good buys. So you can see after the break of this neckline, we got the market buy strongly to the upside. We got the good buys. Let me make this black. We got the good buys after the break and retest of this neckline. Price bought strongly to the upside, and it still caused the sales from this point. The break and retest of the neckline of this double top formation. Price sold. So these the entry confirmations I use basically most of the time on my trade levels, and you can still do this on any time frame. I just implement the same concept, the same methodology. So that's it, guys. For more trade contents like this, do to smash the like button and drop a good comment on this video. Don't forget to subscribe if you are new to the channel, and to my returning viewers, I appreciate your support for always engaging in my videos. Till means a lot, guys. Let's do more and do have a wonderful day.